If you use QuickBooks Desktop, you've probably heard the news. Intuit has stopped selling it to new customers and is pushing everyone onto their cloud subscriptions. So if you're on desktop or you are about to buy it, you need a new plan. I'm a software developer and I got tired of paying Intuit and dealing with the price increases every year, so I built a free alternative that runs on your own computer, the same way desktop did. I'll show you what's actually happening and what your options are. Here's the short version. 1. QuickBooks Desktop is being wound down. New sales have stopped, and support and updates are on a countdown. 2. Intuit wants you on QuickBooks Online instead, which is a monthly subscription that starts around 30 Canadian dollars a month, and they pressure you to upgrade to their more expensive tiers, resulting in the average customer spending around $1,000 every year just for accounting software. And 3, your books are still yours, so you're not trapped, meaning you can export your data and take it somewhere else. So you really have two choices: pay up and move to their cloud subscription, or move to software that still works the way desktop did on your own computer. I'm going to show you the second option and how easy it is to migrate. This is Argo Books. It has a free plan with no trial, time limit, or a credit card. You don't even need to make an account. And if you outgrow the free plan, it's only 15 Canadian dollars a month instead of the ever-climbing QuickBooks subscription. It runs on Windows and Linux with support for Mac coming soon. You can sign up to the email list to know when it's released. Now let me show you the part that matters most when you're switching, which is getting your data out of QuickBooks and into here. In QuickBooks, you can export your lists and reports to a spreadsheet, so export what you have, your customers, transactions, whatever you want to bring over. Then in Argo Books, click the File button in the top left, click Import, then Spreadsheet, and select the file. It reads the spreadsheet intelligently, so it doesn't matter if the file is messy, it figures it all out on its own. It reads it, shows me what it found, click Import, and it's done. All the data is now in Argo Books, structured and ready. No retyping years of records by hand, which is usually the thing that stops people from ever switching. Now the day-to-day work. If you want to send an invoice, click Create Invoice, pick a template, choose the customer and the products or services, click Preview, and send it. The customer gets an email with the link to pay online, and when they pay, Argo Books marks it as paid and records the revenue automatically. The free plan gives you 25 invoices a month. As for expenses, instead of typing them in manually, I click Import, then Scan Receipt, pick a photo of the receipt, and give it 5 to 10 seconds. It pulls out the vendor, date, total, and every line item, then categorizes it. In QuickBooks, the receipt scanner is locked to a paid plan and only grabs the total. In Argo Books, the free plan includes 10 scans a month, and the 15 Canadian dollar plan gives you 500 scans every month. Next up, there's also a bank statement importer. Similarly to the receipt scanner, just click Imports, then Bank Statements, select the file. It supports both PDFs and spreadsheets. Wait a few seconds, and it's done. Now if I go to the dashboard, it shows the expenses, revenue, and your profits. There are some things QuickBooks does that Argo Books doesn't, like payroll and built-in tax filing. It also doesn't have a mobile app, although the mobile app is going to be released in a few months, so depending on when you're watching, we may have already released it. If payroll or integrated tax filing is critical for you today, QuickBooks is probably still the better fit. Who should switch? If you're a solo business, a freelancer, or a small company that mostly use desktop for invoicing, expenses, and the basics, this covers you and is free. If you want to try it, the link is in the description. It works on Windows and Linux, with support for Mac coming soon, and you don't even need to create an account. The free plan gives you 25 invoices and 10 receipt scans a month. If you need more, it's 15 Canadian dollars, and it unlocks unlimited invoices and 500 scans. Compare that to QuickBooks Online at $30 a month, and tons of feature gating pressuring people to upgrade to the more expensive tiers. Switching can save you hundreds a year. Getting set up takes about 2 minutes. The link in the description takes you to the downloads page. Click download for your system, run the installer, and when it opens, click create new company. Type your business name, pick your currency and country, then click next. You can add your company logo or set a password here if you want, or just skip it and click create. It will offer a quick tour which guides you through some of the basics and only takes a minute. Alright, so QuickBooks Desktop is going away, but it doesn't have to be a headache. If QuickBooks Online is worth it to you, go for it. But if you just want your own books on your own computer, or want something simpler, more affordable, give this a try. If you have questions, leave a comment or message me through the website. I read all of them. Thanks for watching.